I'm out here at Unique Motorsports visiting my buddy Saul. So I asked him if he can dyno this car. So I want to see what kind of numbers this thing makes. Now Toyota rates it at 228 horsepower, 180 torque, but I've also heard online that people are making more power. Like Toyota's lying. I think they're lying a little bit. I don't know. I've heard numbers all over the place, so we'll see. That's Saul.
Hello.
I've known him for many years. We go way back to our CarMax days. We used to work there. First time I met Saul was at first day on a job. I saw he had a S14. Then we became friends, and then the rest is history. But he tuned Infiniti and Nissans. So if you have anything of that nature, go hit him up, because he'll tune everything from 02 and up. Well, technically 2000 and up, but let's see. What's happening? Hold on 1 second. Let's see what's going on. Oh, is it traction?
Yeah.
Hold the track button.
I did. And then,
Hold it. There you go. So I was saying you gotta hold the left button again, traction off, and then it'll unlock. Yeah, 209 horsepower and 175 torque. Okay. Alright. So we're using hub dynos on this. It is a Dyno Jet. So his hubs are actually on the more conservative side, more realistic. There's a lot of dynos out there that boast big power numbers. This one isn't. This one's a little bit more watered down, if you will, but at least you kind of get more of a realistic number set. So earlier I found out fully turn off traction control, no interruptions, because earlier we were getting an intervention with traction. So now we don't have that problem. We're able to make a pull successfully, and now we can actually see what it should make. So again, I've seen numbers floating around the internet that they're actually making more power than advertised. Again, I'm on a Dyno Pack. I think I said Dyno Jet earlier. Dyno Pack and Hub Dyno, a little bit more accurate, but also more on the conservative side, giving more accurate readings. We're gonna do another pull. First one was more of a test. Let's see how it did. Okay. That's the torque right there. And that's the horsepower right there. So if you guys played around with the digital dash, you can actually see your power graphs on it if you select it. So there's an option to see your power band while you're driving, which I thought was pretty cool, but I wanted to see what the end result numbers are to the wheels. This is the upgraded FA24 engine, which replaced the FA20 from the previous gen. Now, a lot of people did complain about the torque dip that was between 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. And I've driven a first gen, definitely noticeable. but it's one of those cars where you just gotta rev it out, rev it all the way to redline. Like, you either cut around traffic, stay below 3,000, or if you're just gonna wanna drive it, you just gotta rev it out. That's the only way to avoid it. You kinda have to choose one or the other, unfortunately, with the previous gen. But this one, not a problem. It actually has torque all the way throughout, as you saw on the power band earlier. You might do another pull just to kind of get a set of 3, kind of give it a more well-rounded average.
Letting it cool down.
Say again?
I'm just letting it cool down a little bit.
Oh, okay, for sure. Just letting it cool off. He's gonna do another pass. Yeah, those brakes are massive compared to the previous gen.
So which one is 2500? It's really hard to tell.
Yeah, it's kind of in the middle. I mean, if anything,
So here
I'll tell you when. So go up,
it's
like
kinda,
right about there.
Hold on, not yet. Okay, so
I would say a little bit higher. You want 25, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
a little
pretty
bit
close.
higher. Like right there?
That's pretty close.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tuning it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again.
Okay. Uh, 199 and then 148. So it's going lower, right? When they get warmer?
No, that was 5th gear, so it's actually 4th gear. That's why I wanted to try it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
This dyno's 4th gear.
Gotcha. Okay. The last one was 5th.
Yeah, so this one's not right.
Okay. So this was 5th gear.
209.
209. Okay. This is the accurate. Alright. There it is. Torque. 175. Horsepower. 209. 210 if you want to round it. It's not bad. Decent. Alright, well, there it is. You got the numbers down. So it's a good amount of power if you're into taking turns. If you want to drive straight, probably not. But again, this car was designed to take turns, to have fun in the mountain roads and the twisties on the track. So this car is pretty light. So the power to weight is actually really good. So I would say if you're looking to get a fun car, this is probably it.